Imagine yourself in this 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include split folding rear seat, tilt steering wheel, telescoping steering wheel, passenger door bin, delay-off headlights, front beverage holders, rear reading lights, and brake assist. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.